set it up for a cutting the miter tavern boards for them. So you got the light on, the spindle set, got the engraving bit. It's a couple of pieces of tile actually, just to set it up. And very simple hold downs. Set the Mach 3 up, it's all good to go. Program's in, fantastic. Just going to auto generate it or get the auto height. Let it go. That wee bugger now. And then over to the auto generate too. Open there. Alright, done. So tell me 18, so I'll reset that. Set it to 0. Go into my offsets. Click my block height. Go back to program run. Going to regenerate the toolpath. Take this out. Turn the spindle on. As you can see, it's not the blue box of death. It's a real quality actual machine, this. And it came with a lot of extra stuff as well, as you can see. So this is my workstation, which is shite. It's all covered in crap, but anyway, does the job. So spindle's going there, so I'll just turn her on. Now I've got this running about 15 to 18,000. I don't really, somewhere in there. I can manually mess around with this, but you know, I'm quite happy with what I've got there. That's her up and running and spinning. So let's kick the bugger off. There she goes. So I don't want this video to be too long. So I'll come back whenever it's finished. It takes about 8 minutes to cut this out, so I'll come back then.